Hi, everybody. Today's forecast, not too bad. We had the rain develop. It's been mostly light. Astoria looks like they're going to wrap up today just shy of a quarter of an inch of rain. That's been the wet spot in our local region. Portland, as of 4 o'clock, was just 2/100ths of an inch of rain. And that was despite several hours of light rainfall this afternoon. So just indicating that generally, there were a couple exceptions to the radar where the radar showed some higher returns, but generally it's been just light rainfall. Hey, the headlines that I'm following, we still have a scattered shower chance tonight and tomorrow. I'll get to that. But what I brought up yesterday, soaking rains this coming Sunday, Monday, still likely, maybe into Tuesday. And then if you watched us last week, there was one day about Thursday or Wednesday of last week, somewhere there. We talked about the fact that could have been a run of some warm weather coming in this coming weekend for Starlight Parade Saturday. That no longer looks to be the case. But how about pushing back a week to Grand Floral Parade Saturday, which would be June 8th? And look at this hot air mass that comes up into Utah, Nevada, Oregon, Idaho, Washington, that would be 80s or 90s. Now, again, the last time the models were showing this pardon me, northern push of warm to hot air was for this coming weekend. That's not going to be the case. Now they pushed it back to the week of Saturday, June 8th. Just something to follow. Just something to follow for right now. Quick word and thank you to promote my sponsor, the Momentous Wealth Podcast. Todd Pisarcik's team from Momentous Wealth Management puts on these investing podcasts, very educational on a number of topics. You can find the podcast under Apple Podcast or Spotify. I've listened to a few of them, 3 of them to be exact, and they're really terrific. Just plug in, and I think you'll find them interesting. If you're like me and you've got some retirement funds that you're watching and hoping to grow. Okay, let's get you going with the weather forecast. So it's 519. Here's I-5 in red. You can see the rain, not entirely, but the biggest chunk of it is now pushed as expected eastward up into the Cascades. There have been some thunderstorms over in Idaho and some heavy rain that might be containing some lightning near the Idaho border in eastern Oregon as well. Other than that, it's really pretty quiet. Again, scattered shower chances continue tonight, continue tomorrow. Down here is the upper level trough. See how the upper level trough is swinging in? So the surface front is what brought the rain we've had today. Now this upper level trough lingers tomorrow, and we're going to be drying out with some sun breaks, but that will fuel with the cooler air aloft scattered showers and maybe some spotty downpours. That's in the forecast for tomorrow. And then we go all dry on Thursday and Friday. This is the National Blended Model, their future radar. This is tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. And notice here we are. I'll stop the clock this is 10, 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. You see showers are actually numerous across western Washington and up into the Washington Cascades. You can see a few showers in the Portland area, basically nothing when you get south of Salem. And again, fewer showers in Oregon overall here on the west side than what we'll see to our north up in Washington. And boy, that was the case today, and that has been the case lately. These weather systems producing more moisture to our north and less to our south. But at any rate, you can plainly see it's just a scattered shower pattern tomorrow. Now, I want to set up the rain that I'm still tracking for this coming Sunday, Monday, and a Tuesday, and potentially some hot weather that could be up into the 90s on Saturday, June 8th. So this is the jet stream map this coming Sunday. Right back here is the jet stream core where you see the bright colors and see how it's feeding toward Oregon and into Washington. So this is developing rain on Sunday. This is that jet stream pushing inland on Monday. This is Monday afternoon. The strongest winds off to our west, but you can definitely see the cores kind of nudging in, driving moisture. What could be some hours of steady, decent rainfall. Remember, models have been showing that we potentially would get an inch of rain in Portland this coming Sunday, Monday night, maybe in the Tuesday morning. So now what I want to do is after a shower chance on Tuesday, this particular model, if I stop it on here we are Wednesday. See how the jet stream lifts up to our north? This is a drying, warming pattern. And then if I play this, let's take it. Is it going to let me go into Saturday? It is. This is Saturday, June 8th, Grand Floral Parade Saturday. So see the ridging? The jet stream winds dissipate, but you can see the upper level ridging right in here. And that is definitely allowing warmth to come out of the four corners up into Oregon and Washington. Now, check this out. This is the same weather model, the GFS America model. This is going to show you the air mass temperatures, the 850 or 5,000 foot temperatures. So Sunday, you can see there's cool air in blue, and then that fetch of moisture is actually coming in with some warmer air right in here, but it's going to be raining, so it's not going to be terribly warm. And then we actually cool down somewhat Monday. Now I see we got the cooler pocket. Again, this is Monday of next week. We've got showers that linger into Tuesday. There's the cooler air on Tuesday. And then by Wednesday, we're starting to see the warm air build. And let me just play this. Look at these colors from, again, the four corners, Arizona, New Mexico, Utah, Nevada, California, up into Oregon. This is Wednesday of next week. And I'll go ahead and play this in to Saturday the 8th, which again is Grand Floral Parade Saturday. That's, okay, here we go. Look at the bullseye of the warm weather. Remember, the jet stream was ridging up in here across Canada, allowing the warmth to build in. So if this is correct, we would probably hit 90 degrees. Again, the model showed this once before. They backed off. Now they're bringing it again, and it's still a week plus out. So just something to let you know what I'm watching and seeing on the weather maps. Okay. Well, 35 degrees. Timberline, as expected, was just rain today. It's all wet up there. No issues. Government camp tomorrow, 46, just all wet. Could be a mix of rain, snow showers in the air, especially tomorrow morning with scattered showers, but not expecting anything to stick. The snow level tomorrow, generally much of the day, is going to be close to 5,000 feet. There could be some snow showers at Timberline. I don't know if there's enough moisture tomorrow to cover the ground, but realize snow levels tomorrow closer to 5,000 feet. Timberline was 35 today, could be 32 tomorrow afternoon with showers in the area. The passes will be just fine. 43 at government camp right now. Out in the blues, 55 degrees. Again, you wouldn't expect problems this time of the year, but it's that time of the year we still check. Not expecting it, but it's good to be aware of what's going on. Okay, well, 5 o'clock. How about 70 down in Medford? Southern Oregon stayed dry as expected. Right now, the forecast is dry all the way into Sunday, and this does show a chance of rain next Monday. But in the meantime, 74 tomorrow, 80 on Thursday, 86 Friday, 81 Saturday. That's Southern Oregon, looking really good. North Bend was south of the rain today. There may be a trace around Coos Bay, but certainly not seeing anything the next several days. Saturday, some clouds and 60, and then there's that rain coming into the Southern Oregon coast on Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, we talked about for Portland. So we'll keep an eye on that forecast. Bend, dry today, dry tomorrow, 70 on Thursday, 77 Friday, a dry weekend. And there's that rain chance on Monday of next week with that stronger push of moisture. That rain chance might leak into Tuesday. Right now, this is showing Monday of next week would be the best chance to get something in Central Oregon. Up in Seattle, 61 right now. Showers scattered tomorrow, a dry Thursday, a dry Friday, similar to Portland. A chance of rain on Saturday, Sunday. There's actually a front, a little weak system that comes in early Saturday morning. And I'm mentioning Portland could see a shower, but much of Saturday will be dry here in Portland. This does show some showers up in Washington. So we'll keep an eye on that for the upcoming weekend. Let's see here. Let's go up to Astoria. Showers tomorrow, 59, sunny, dry, Thursday, Friday, Saturday chance. And then this brings in the likely rain we've been talking about on Sunday, Monday into Tuesday for the coast. So all of that certainly makes sense. And with all of that said, here's my Portland 7-day, sponsored by Hazeldale Tire Pros up here in Vancouver. Sun and showers tomorrow, mid-60s. Similar temperature to today, actually, but a lot brighter of a day overall. Thursday, I think there's some cloudiness that spills overhead. It's still a nice day, partly sunny, 70. Friday, straight out sun from start to finish, 77. And then I mentioned this a moment ago. I do believe there's some cloudiness Saturday morning, at least a chance of an early shower in Portland. Otherwise, a partly cloudy, dry day and dry in the evening for the Starlight Parade, 71. Rain develops Sunday after a dry start. And then we got the rainy weather Monday, the showers Tuesday. And it's looking like we would dry out then Tuesday night into Wednesday and get into that stretch of warm sunshine to maybe hot weather going into that weekend that I showed you. So that's your update coming to you from the Portland, Vancouver area. I'm meteorologist Rod Hill. Thanks for subscribing to my channel. That helps me out. I'll talk to you soon.